Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to restore the garden furniture. Well, unfortunately, I already sanded. So we got one of these machines. I don't know, they're 10, 15 quid, 20 quid. Or you don't have a machine, you just a normal sandpaper, sand it down. Nice, beautiful. We got alcohol. So what is the name of this one? I don't have my glasses with me. Anyway, you can get it there. Oh yeah, methylated spirit. Can you read it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So what it does, it pick up the dirt and germs instead of just rubbing it around in the cloth. We sand it first, nice and easy. Then clean it with alcohol, and then we got the varnish, pan stain. That's it, all in one go. In a brush. And then what I do in part 2, I'm gonna show you. You just start just rubbing it, but make sure you just cover all the wood. Otherwise, if you want to do the second coat, you're gonna be darker. Just remember that every coat you apply, you're gonna be darker. It's beautiful table. Been left over in the garden for many years, but still is solid. There's a little bit of rust on the bone. We had just cleaned it with WD-40. It's okay for this summer. We're gonna restore it and paint it properly for years coming. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in part 2. Bye.